Alright, so there you heard Mehbooba Mufti, the chief of the PDP, clearly saying that all of this is the reaction, the resentment amongst the people of Jammu and Kashmir. There you can see those exclusive pictures of the man in question, the shoe thrower that we have been talking about. He is the suspended police of the Jammu and Kashmir, and he is the one who threw the shoe at Omar Abdullah yesterday during the Independence Day celebrations. These are exclusive visuals coming to you of the man in question who threw that shoe on Omar Abdullah. Let me go across to my colleague Suhail Bukhari, who joins us on the phone line. Suhail, what do you read of the situation now? NewsX has exclusively also spoken to PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti there, who clearly goes on to say that there is no involvement of the PDP, whereas the police goes on to say that Abdullah Jan has confessed that he was there in the VVIP section because of a political past that he had got. Suhail, are you with us on the phone line?
Now in Kashmir Valley, while police so far...
Yes, Suhail, we can hear you. Please carry on.
Well, Akshay, I was saying that indeed that is the big question out here in Kashmir Valley even as we speak. While on one hand police has claimed that the person in question who hurled the shoe yesterday has confessed to the fact that he was approached by a political party and that, that there was one specific political leader that he had named who met him and in fact facilitated one invitation card for him, which he essentially used to arrive in that VVIP enclosure where from he hurled the shoe. But it is definitely showing some reluctance when it comes on to naming the political party that Jan has allegedly taken name of, or for that matter even identifying the political leader that it claims Jan has taken name of. On the other hand, PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti, who spoke exclusively to NewsX a while ago and said that it was a time-buying tactic on part of the administration. In fact, it was their own security lapse, and that it was genuine anger that manifested itself in the incident that we saw yesterday. She too has been very stringent about her own stand with regard to this incident. She says that PDP per se has nothing to do, and she also seemed to be almost saying the same things for any other political party as well. But on part of the government, as the investigations go on, definitely there is some sort of pressure building up on the police, which already has claimed that this is the confession that the person in question has made. But it hasn't made public as to which political party it was talking about or the political leadership that has been allegedly involved in it.
So let's look at the irony of the whole situation. The police actually themselves are, in a way, not directly, but in a way trying to protect a man who is who's an ex-police officer who actually hurled the shoe at the chief minister yesterday. Look at the irony of the situation. The people who are protecting who are protecting this man is actually a part of their own group. What is the public really out there over there say? Yesterday we saw reactions of the people actually welcoming what Jan had actually done.
Well, yes, on the streets of Kashmir, Jan is an instant hit. Whether it be the general public in his native village of Bandipora, that is Ajas, where NewsX team went yesterday and saw thousands actually coming to his home, congratulating the family and raising slogans in his favor. On the other hand, in Srinagar also the mood with regard to this particular incident has been that of praise. And as we reported on NewsX yesterday itself, that Jan is an instant hit on social networking sites like Facebook as well. There are several pages that have been created in his name. There are hundreds who are joining these pages almost by every minute. So that only goes to suggest that the reaction from the general public per se is definitely on the lines of what exactly Jan did.